is so huge! It's the chef? Oh no, she's going to fill me up with flour! Hey, be careful! Is that Linda? These huge candies are flying right at me! Watch out! Wow! Oh no! I was almost crushed! Grandma? Oh no, she's going to put the bottle right on top of me! Not this! Oh, I'm alive. What? Jess, I think you dozed off. Oh, so it was a dream. Well, then let's not waste time and start our challenge. And we'll start today with these waffles. What? Oh, waffles. Well, it's easy. Careful, evil waffle maker. Boo! Are you afraid? Okay, let's start. I'll take a bowl. Flour, milk, and eggs. I pour the flour into a bowl. Break 2 eggs. Pour milk. And now I need to mix it all well with a whisk. This is the last century, Grandma. I have a professional hand mixer for the dough. Ingredients now. Flour, milk, and of course, eggs. Take off the lid and put all the ingredients inside. I will mix everything just like that. Wonderful. The ready-made dough right in the waffle maker. And now, I will cover the future waffle with candy M&Ms. Let's bake. Big deal. I can do it the old-fashioned way. I put the dough in a ladle and distribute it on waffle iron. Not bad at all. And here is my jam. Cherry. I can't open it. Think, Granny, think. Oh, that's right. I'll need some tape. Now I'm going to seal the lid. And now pull. Wow. Grandma has her own life hacks. Now I'll take a pipette and we'll fill it with jam. Like this. Now I will carefully add drops of jam to my waffle. Great. So beautiful. Now you can bake. What's the noise? That's it! Get it! Here! Haha, so cool! Now I'm going to have the perfect cookie crumb. Is it loud? Excuse me. Well, now I need Nutella. Let's try it. What a yummy. Well, too many sweets. And now Oreo cookies and milk. I'll mix them right in the jar with Nutella. I'll close it and shake it well. And I pour this dough into a waffle iron. It's ready. Interesting. Oh, my waffle is ready. What a fragrance. It's time to put it on a plate and start decorating. Strawberry syrup pattern will be perfect for my waffle. Delicious. Ooh, mine is ready too. Let's see. Why doesn't it come off? Okay, let's try another way. Come on. That's it. Now I'll make another one. I'll pour the dough and bake. What about you, Grandma? My waffle is ready too. It smells so good. And how appetizing it looks. The only thing left is to sprinkle with powdered sugar. Well, just perfect. Hooray! The second waffle is ready. Now I'll add whipped cream to the first one. And some more for myself. I'll cover the second waffle on top. And now, the chocolate! You just need to melt them with iron. Just a few seconds and liquid chocolate is ready. Now I'm going to make a chocolate flake. First milk chocolate. Now white. With white one, I'll just make some letters. Let's put it on top, and my Oreo waffle is ready. Oh, such a beauty. Oh, everyone is ready. I think it's time for Jess to try. Wow, so many things. I'll probably start with this one. Ouch! What is this solid here? Is that a bone? Oh, I almost broke my tooth. That's enough for me. Now I'll try the rainbow one. Not bad. I like it. So what do we have here? Wow, Oreo waffle. Insanely delicious. Well, this is definitely a winner. Really? My waffle won! Yay! So now I want cake pops. Can you handle it? Easy. I can solve that problem. I'm going to need white chocolate, and I'm going to melt it in a saucepan. I light the fire and stir it so that it doesn't burn. Yeah, just what I need. I'll take the curd cheese and put it in a bowl. Now I'll add the chocolate mix and stir everything with the mixer. That's it. Now, we need to put everything in a pastry bag with the help of a spoon. It is necessary to fill it with cream to the limit. Well, perfect. Now you squeeze it into special molds and cover them with the second half. The only thing left is to put sticks in the hole, and you can put the cream in the refrigerator. This way is very convenient. Stay here for a little while, my dear. Well, here are my fresh berries. There is a cherry here. We need to get rid of the bone somehow. That's right, I have a pen. I'll use it to get them. So easy. Now I will remove the bones from all the other cherries. Great. Now we should melt the chocolate. I'll break it to melt it faster. That's what I need. And of course, I need to stir the chocolate so it doesn't burn. And instead of sticks, my knitting needles will do. I string them on each cherry and dip them in chocolate. Yeah, that's just right. So beautiful. Well, if you need chopsticks, then I'll take them from Chupa Chups. You just have to eat caramel. Well, I can handle it. And here are Kinder Surprises. Just what I need. I'll take the foil off of them. And sticks are already ready. Now I'll put them in chocolate eggs. That's it. My cake pops are almost ready. We just need to decorate them with whipped cream. I have such cute hats here. Well, and where do we go without syrup, right? Each candy will have its own color. That's what I came up with, of course. So cool. It seems it's time to get cake pops out of the refrigerator. I can feel this wonderful fragrance. Let's see. Oh yeah, perfection. I already prepared some decorations. I know that Jess loves princesses. So with the help of a pastry bag, I will make a beautiful pattern of cream. Now I will add sugar beads, and then I will fix the princess on top. Voila! It turned out magnificent. And everyone is so different. What is that noise?
That's it, we crush nuts the old-fashioned way. And now you can decorate my sweets with nut crumbs. That's it. I think it's time for you to try, Jess.
Wow! You have prepared so many! I'll start with these chocolate eggs. What a delicious cream on top! I bite. Whoa! There's a toy inside! What's there? Oh, what a cute ring with a rabbit! Look, now I have a whole collection of such rings. I'll wear them all. Wow, I'm such a fashionista. Well, let's see what Grandma has prepared. How delicious! Ooh, cherry inside. What's here? Oh, they're princesses! I just love them! Which one should I start with? Such beautiful dresses. Well, let's start with this one. Let's try. What a delicate and delicious cream inside. Who give a victory to? Maybe… Well, okay. The chef definitely won. Oh, thank you, Jess, for appreciating my efforts. And now I want a real Italian lasagna.
We start on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3.
For the start, I need to sift some flour for the dough. Now I create a recess in the break, 2 eggs in them. I'll knead it well so that there are no lumps. And now I'll cut it into several identical pieces. I will add dye to each one of them so it's multicolored. That's it, 5 colors. Wonderful. It's time to get behind the pasta machine. I take a piece of dough and roll it into the machine to the desired thickness. And so with all the pieces. It's not that easy. Now, I will cut out the rectangles with a slicer. I remove the excess and it's done. Let's take my blender and throw cheese in there and crumble it into fine crumb. I will divide it into 5 identical portions and also add dye. Let the cheese be multicolored too. The main thing is to mix it well. It's time to collect lasagna. And here are special dishes. A layer of dough, then a layer of cheese, then more dough, more cheese. Repeat until all the ingredients run out. And on top, I'll put cheese of all colors at once. Perfect! It's time to put it in the oven. I put it inside.
light on the fire with a special long match. Close the door and wait.
Look at this. One more life hack from Granny. Let's put the package here so the cheese does not drop on the table while I grate it. It's not easy. That's it. And now a special pasta for lasagna. I put the leaf in the mold and cheese on top. It's time for my meat grinder. I'll wrap minced meat on my lasagna right away. That's it. I'm continuing with the layers. And now, tomato juice on top. Freshly squeezed, of course. Whoa, great. What I need. Now I'll put it in the oven. The important part is to set the correct temperature.
What if we use chips instead of layers? I'll pour them into a frying pan and pour ketchup over everything. Now Cheetos. And cheese sauce on top. So cool. What else? That's it, Doritos. I'll try one. How spicy! Okay, we should add more cheese. Now I'll cover it with the lid. It won't close. Oops. The cheese is stuck to the lid. Well, okay, it's fine. I'll just cut off the excess with scissors. Mockery of cooking. But my lasagna is ready. I will decorate it with fresh herbs. Bellissimo.
What a fragrance. I'll install a fork for convenience. Hurry up, Jess, try it.
How different they all turned out. I'll start with the rainbow one. Here's a fork. And knife won't hurt either. I cut off a piece. Whoa, how cool! I'll try it now. Delicious! Wow! What now? Perhaps Grandma's lasagna? I'll cut off a piece of her too. Whoa, so hot! Just a delight! So good! What is this in general? Okay, smells nice. I'll try. Ouch! How spicy! I definitely need to drink something! Grandma's lasagna just saved me. It's definitely the most delicious one. This is a victory.
Did I win? Oh, thanks, Jess. You're the best granddaughter.
Subscribe to Multi-Do Challenge so you don't miss the same delicious and funny challenges. See you later!